Mobile data is on, signal is full, but internet is not working? Don't panic, this happens to millions of Android users, and this 2-minute fix works on almost every phone. First, refresh your network connection. Turn airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds. Turn it off. Now open Settings. In search bar search Network. Tap on Mobile Network. Here tap on Mobile Network again. Here tap on Access Point Names. Here on top right corner, click on 3 dots. And tap on Reset to Default. Tap Reset again and select Network. Now go back, and click on Data Usage. Here tap on Data Saver and turn it off. Now restart your phone and enjoy your mobile data. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.